This is a simple recipe right here, and it is called the avocado fried rice, and this is done my way and my thinking of getting this menu together. So let me tell you what I do to achieve this yummy menu right here, guys. So I use 3 eggs, I use black pepper, I use a little bit of salt. So what I normally do, I'm gonna like scramble the egg first, 3 eggs with just a little bit of oil, not too much oil. I add my black pepper and a little bit of salt, and I stir that egg until it is brown, like, you know, fry. Then I'm gonna add my rice, I add my seasoning, my onion, my bell peppers, yes, and I add the avocado, and I mix it up until the avocado is mashed out. Yes, as you can see, take a closer look. Yes, and I use scallion also, onion, yeah. So this is the result, guys, and I add some hot sauce. As you can see, those red on top, there's some hot sauce. Yes, I add hot sauce also, and this is very yummy and nice, guys. If you want, you can give it a try, and I call this the avocado fried rice.